Building in Somalia, Somaliland, Djibouti, or Ethiopia is like organizing a Somali wedding. Everyone is excited, the plan looks good, but by the end, half the guests didn't even get food, and nobody remembers who paid for what. I'm engineer Abdirahim Mohamed, your construction therapist, and today we are tackling the real building headaches in Horn of Africa. Weak foundation, poor workmanship, zero quality control, lack of supervision, and budget that disappears faster than eat meat on day one. Because whether you're in Mogadishu, Hargeisa, Djibouti City, or Chiga, one wrong move and your dream home could become neighborhood's punchline. Part 1. Poor foundations are like Somali tea. If you don't balance the sugar, milk, and spice, everyone complains. If you don't balance the soil, steel, and concrete, the house complains. Ahmed built a house in Hargeisa. Skipped the soil testing. When the rainy season came, the cracks spread faster than election rumors on Facebook. On the other hand, Fatima built a house in Djibouti, spent $400 on proper soil checks. Neighbors mocked them. 10 years later, their house is solid, and their neighbors' homes tilted like a satellite dish in a windstorm. Solution: always check your soil. If the labs are too expensive, at least dig test pits and check the groundwater. Don't just say Allah is with us and hope for the best. Part 2. Poor workmanship. Workmanship in Horn of Africa. Everyone is a builder. Yesterday, the guy who was selling qad in the market. Today, he's laying blocks. Tomorrow, he'll be running for the parliament. In Mogadishu, Farah laid bricks, so uneven that the walls look like a camel's back. One strong gust of wind, collapse. In Chiga, Yusuf checked references and hired trained masons. Their walls were straighter than a madrasa student's handwriting. Visitors thought that the house was designed abroad. Solution: always check workers' past projects. If the walls look like a zigzag road in the mountains, don't hire them. Part 3. Poor quality control. Quality control, many skip it. Some use salty beach sand for concrete. Looks good today, but in few years, the house rusts faster than minibus in Berbera rain. A villa in Bosasa looked fantastic on day 1. By year 3, the balcony fell like a loose sandal strap. In Kismayo, the owner demanded wash sand and fresh cement. Contractors complained today that the house stronger than the security at a qad shop during rush hour. Solution: wash your sand, check cement expiry dates. If your builder argues, remind them salty sand today equal to salty tears tomorrow. Part 4. Lack of supervision. Supervision. Too many diaspora send money and just pray. Prayer is good, but prayer doesn't check mixed ratios. One investor came back from London. Instead of villa, he found a random kiosk building in his compound. Workers had opened a mini shop selling biscuits. Another family in Hargeisa hired a site supervisor. Weekly WhatsApp calls, photo updates. Result: no freelancing, no side shops, just a house they wanted. Solution: if you can't be there, pay for a supervisor, or at least demand a photo with date stamp. Otherwise, your villa might turn into a dukhan. Part 5. Underestimating and overestimating costs. Budgets. Many start small, but dream big. Some says, with $10,000, I'll build a palace with marble floors and 3 kitchens. Brother, even Alibaba can't do that. In Baidabo, a family ran out of cash halfway. For months, they lived in a house that was half plastered, half bare blocks. They called it modern rustic design. In Boro, a family budgeted realistically and added 20% buffer. When cement prices spiked, they were fine. They even finished early and still had money for curtains. Solution: always add 15 to 20% extra. Price change faster than phone numbers on a SIM card. A caution today equals no panic tomorrow. So here's the truth. In Somalia, Somaliland, Djibouti, and Ethiopia, building is risky. Weak foundations, dodgy masons, salty sand, no supervision, shaky budgets. For every problem has a solution. Winners plan smart, test soil, hire skilled masons, demand quality, supervise closely, and budget realistic. I'm engineer Abdirahim Mohamed, and if you want your dream home in Horn Africa to last generations, not collapse before your cousin's wedding, hit subscribe Every week, I give you tools to design, build, and actually win at construction in Africa. Don't just build smart. And remember, a kiosk belongs in the market, not inside your living room.